16.5. That's where we are. Ashley Webster is here. Elizabeth McDonald is here. Todd Horwitz in Chicago. Mike Murphy right here. What are the odds, Murphy, that we get to 17,000 on the Dow this month?
Almost a near certainty, I would say.
Whoa, that's a good way to start.
Absolutely. I think, the market has overreacted to the downside here, Stuart. So I think as people are realizing now that oil isn't going to go down forever, it may not go straight up, but it's at least found some sort of a balance here in the low to mid 30s, that people are going to focus on earnings, and I think the market will be back above 17,000.
Interesting that you brought up the oil people, the drillers, because there's a story in the Wall Street Journal this morning that says the oil drillers, the fracking guys, they are cutting production. Crude oil at the moment is down 5 cents. It had been up at $34 a barrel earlier, but we're holding right around $33 a barrel. By the way, let me show you Marathon. That's one of the drillers, and they are pulling back on shale oil production. They're really cutting back on it, but the stock is actually down 5% as we speak. Todd, come on in, please. I think that article in the Wall Street Journal about the frackers cutting production, that's made a big impact today, right?
Well, I think it has. I think, when you start cutting production, that's how we're going to relieve the oversupply, the glut of what we have. And that's what's, you're going to see some movement to the upside. That always would create, that's how we create our own shortage and our own oversupply, by either stopping or starting. And I think, by the way, just so you know, I think there's a 1 in 17,000 chance that we get to 17,000 this month.
Well, what does that mean?
Whoa.
1 in 17,000. Come on, you got 10 seconds to explain.
I think there's no chance that it gets there. That's what it means. I think we see 16 before 17.
I'm with Murphy.
Okay.
Thank you, Liz.
There you go. Right. Ash.
Yeah,
you